NCM Learning Center.
Good morning friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about two-port network concepts. If an electric circuit is given, how to calculate Y parameters for the given circuits. In the part 1 videos, we already discussed how to calculate the Z parameters for the given circuit. Okay. Now we will solve this problem. Before solving this problem, we should know the basics. This is the basic structure of two-port network. V1 and I1 are source side parameters, V2 and I2 are load side parameters. Note that the current direction should be like that. The source side current I1 should be flow from source to load. The load side current should be flow from load to source. The direction. So the characteristic equation of Y parameter is I1 is equal to V1 Y11 plus V2 Y12. How to remember that? I1 by V. I by V is equal to admittance Y. So I is equal to V1 Y11. So I2 is equal to second equation. I2 is equal to V1 Y21 plus V2 Y22. This is the characteristic equation of Y parameter. So we may write this equation as a matrix like that. This is the Y parameter matrix. Now how to calculate Y11? From this equation, if V2 is equal to 0, so Y11 is equal to I1 by V1. Okay. When V2 is equal to 0, Y11 is equal to I1 by V1. I by V is equal to admittance. Okay. Second, Y12. Y12, how to calculate Y12? If V1 is equal to 0, I1 by V2 is equal to Y12. Then Y21. From second equation, Y21, when V2 is equal to 0, this V2 is equal to 0, I2 by V1 is equal to Y21. Next, Y22. Y22, when V1 is equal to 0, for a second equation, when V1 is equal to 0, I2 by V2 is equal to Y22. Okay. This is the basic procedures for the Y parameters matrix. Now we will solve this problem. Objective of this question is we are going to find the Y parameter matrix. In the options Y parameters only given, we are going to find the Y parameters matrix for a given circuit. This question is asked in GATE 21 EC examination. Okay, I will solve. So we know that the characteristic equation of Y parameters. So from that, how to find the Y11? Y11 is equal to I1 by V1 when V2 is equal to 0. We go to consider V2 is equal to 0, then we go to find I1 by V1. Okay. If you consider V2 is equal to 0 for the circuits, this is the current source, the current value will be 3V2. So if V2 is equal to 0, the current source 3V2 is equal to 0. If current source value is equal to 0 means it will act as open. So this source will act as open. Then the terminal V2. If V2 is equal to 0, voltage at this point is equal to 0. Voltage 0 means it acts as short circuits. If it is shorted, then only the voltage will be 0. Okay. So this terminal acts as short circuit. So if V2 is equal to 0, the circuit will become like that, because the current source will be open, the voltage terminal will be shorted. Because V2 is equal to 0, we considered. Now we are going to find I1 by V1. By network introduction concepts, we may find. Use introduction concepts. Here, if it is shorted, what will be the resistance value? If it is shorted, the resistance will be 0. Okay, this resistance will be 0. So this 0 resistance parallel with 1 ohm resistance. This 0 resistance parallel with 1 ohm resistance. Use it parallel formula R0 by R102 will get the resistance will be 0 ohm. If it is shorted across a resistor, the equivalent resistance will be 0. Okay, remember that. Now the equivalent circuit will become like that. This 0 ohm and 1 ohm, the combined form will get 0 ohm. Okay. Now the 0 ohm and 1 ohm series, so we'll get 1 ohm resistance. Now this 1 ohm and 1 ohm are parallel. Where's current flow from here? This is divided by 2 part. If these resistance are parallel, is the parallel formula. So Rin is equal to V1 by I1. V1 by I1 is equal to Rin R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. If two equal resistors are parallel, the resultant will be half. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Or use this formula. Okay. Now we got to find I1 by V1 inverse. So I1 by V1 is equal to 1 by 0.5. So eliminate this option. Here option D is wrong. Okay. Now we got to find Y12. Observe the options A, B, C. All the parameters Y12 in the option A, B, C all have same values. So if we find Y12, the value will be minus 4. So we cannot eliminate this option because all these options have same value. So no need to find Y12 here. If we find Y12, it will take some time. You will get the answer as minus 4. Then we go to find Y21, then only we can eliminate this option. So instead of finding Y12, you will find Y21 first. Then only we can eliminate this option. We can find the correct options. Okay. Now we will calculate Y21. We know that Y21 is equal to I2 by V1 when V2 is equal to 0 from this characteristic equation. This is the given circuit. If V2 is equal to 0, the current source, then V2 will be 0, so it will act as open. Then the voltage at the terminal V2. If it is V2 is equal to 0, this is shorted. So the resultant circuit will become like this. Already we discussed in previous. Okay, if it is shorted, this short terminal 1 ohm 0 resistance parallel with 1 ohm. So the resultant we will get 0 ohm. This 3V2 will be open. Okay. Now we have to find I2 by V1. So just apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in the outer loop. Minus I2 into 1. Okay, because current direction is opposite direction. So V1 is equal to minus I2 into 1. From that we can find V1 by I2 is equal to minus 1. I2 by V1. Y21 is equal to minus 1. So the given option, already the option D eliminated. Now Y21 is equal to minus 1 ohm. So option A and B is wrong. So option C is correct. Okay. This is the procedures for the calculation of Y parameters from the given circuits.
Visit our website www.ncmlearningcenter.com. You can get the video materials for GATE, IAS, ISRO and other competitive examinations. Then PDF materials, PDF book materials prepared for NCM Learning Center. If you use this material, definitely you can get the good marks in the competitive examinations. Then you can get the test series. Join our WhatsApp group, NCM Learning Center WhatsApp group. That link is attached in the description box of the video. Join in our group. If you have any doubts related to the discussion, just post in the WhatsApp group. You can get the solutions. Okay, good. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.